In this video, I am going to show you how to decrease by knitting 2 stitches together. You will normally see this written in a pattern as K2TOG. I'm going to start by taking my right needle and I'm going to insert it into the second stitch on my left needle as if to knit, and then I will go into both of those stitches. So once you do that, then you would wrap your yarn around, pull it through, and then drop both those stitches off. And as you can see, I've decreased from 2 stitches down to 1. And I'm going to continue down this swatch. I have 20 stitches on this and I should end up with 10 when we're done. Again, go through the 2, drop them off. Go to the next one over, knit around it, drop those off. Again, and then again, go through those 2 as if to knit. This creates a knit stitch versus a purl stitch. So you go again through the 2, drop them off. Again, we will just get to the end and I will show you what it looks like to have 10 stitches versus 20. And then they're all in a knit fashion, so you see how it's kind of pulled it together because now it has 10 stitches instead of 20. By using a knit 2 together, it creates a finish that matches the pattern. Usually this is a seed stitch that I have, and you would use it when you would close a hat or reduce the stitch count of something that you're working on. Thank you for watching this tutorial. The items in this video are linked in the description. Please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe.